So here we are in the little greenhouse. I've just potted up a whole bunch of currants. We had taken cuttings in the early spring, probably about 4 weeks ago, and I've also potted up my dahlias. Just did that, so hopefully they'll get pre-sprouting and we'll have some nice greens on it ready to plant out into the garden. Got some more dahlias up there that I'm going to try to take cuttings off of. And red peppers and green peppers and hot bombs and scorpion peppers and tomatoes, 2 different kinds of tomatoes, and zucchini, butternut squash, spaghetti squash, and arugula back there. And there's my little strawberry plant. Actually has a flower on it. I'm very excited about that. But yeah, I need a bigger greenhouse because this is as much space I have to walk in to water things. So today I'm checking out the results of the rhubarb trials. We covered 3 different plants with 3 different containers. So this large plastic garbage can produced this result. There's some ants enjoying this leaf, but overall not too much damage. There's a couple slugs in there, but it's looking beautifully pale, so you can compare it to its neighbor that wasn't covered. Now there's this container, this galvanized bucket, smaller container, which has produced more upright leaves, so they've grown straight against the sides of the container. A lot nicer and straighter than that larger container. And we've got one more over here, just this half barrel, metal barrel. And it looks like there's maybe a bit more light that's gone through that. There's a couple holes on the side of the barrel, like slight cracks. But the leaves are a bit greener on this, but the stems look really lovely and pale as compared to its neighbor over here. So all in all, huge success, I think. Now it's time to eat it and see what the difference is.